Could the investigation into SEC Chair Gary Gensler signal a massive win for Ripple and XRP? As regulators face their own scrutiny, the tides in the crypto world could be shifting dramatically. Today, we're diving into breaking news from Times tabloid, revealing a new investigation that could flip the SEC case against Ripple on its head. Welcome to Goldrush Crypto Daily Channel. I'm your host, Goldrush, here to bring you the latest insights and expert opinions on the most pressing topics in the crypto space. From major regulatory battles to market-moving news, we cover it all. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update that could affect your crypto investments. In today's episode, we're exploring the shocking news about SEC Chair Gary Gensler reportedly being under investigation. According to Times tabloid, this development could be a game-changer for Ripple and XRP. I'll break down what this means for XRP holders, provide my own expert analysis, and look at the potential impact on the broader crypto market. Teaser. Stick around until the end, where I'll share my insights on what could be next for Ripple, and how XRP's price might react in the face of this news. Background on the Ripple versus SEC battle. Let's first recap why this investigation into the SEC chair could be such a big deal for Ripple and the entire crypto ecosystem. The SEC has been locked in a bitter lawsuit with Ripple Labs for over 2 years, alleging that Ripple's sale of XRP amounted to an unregistered securities offering. The case has been closely watched as it could set a precedent for how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US. Ripple, on the other hand, has consistently argued that XRP is not a security, likening it more to a currency. If Ripple wins, this could mean that XRP, and potentially other cryptocurrencies, would fall outside the SEC's purview, giving crypto firms more freedom and clarity. From my perspective, this lawsuit has always been about more than just XRP. It's a battle for the soul of crypto regulation. The Ripple case could set a precedent that affects all of crypto in the US. That's why news of an investigation into SEC Chair Gensler has the potential to be such a pivotal moment. If Gensler's credibility is undermined, the case against Ripple could lose significant momentum. The SEC chair under investigation. What we know, according to Times tabloid, SEC Chair Gary Gensler is under investigation, though specifics of the probe remain largely confidential at this stage. Times tabloid reports that this development is raising questions about the integrity of the regulatory body, especially with such a high-stakes lawsuit ongoing. This investigation could put the SEC's motivations and practices under intense scrutiny. In particular, if the investigation reveals any conflicts of interest or regulatory overreach, it might seriously weaken the SEC's case against Ripple. For XRP holders, this could mean renewed hope for a positive resolution in Ripple's favor. An investigation into the SEC's leadership at this critical juncture could absolutely play to Ripple's advantage. If the case against Ripple is based on flawed or politically motivated enforcement, it could collapse entirely. For XRP, this would be a huge win, likely leading to an increase in market confidence and, consequently, a price surge. Implications for XRP and the crypto market. So, what does this investigation mean for XRP holders and the broader crypto community? Well, the implications are huge. If the SEC's case against Ripple loses steam, it could encourage other crypto projects to stand up against regulatory pressure. XRP's potential, not a security, designation could set a precedent, opening doors for other tokens to gain clarity and investor confidence. For the market, this investigation could be a turning point. Regulatory bodies like the SEC are facing increasing scrutiny from the public and legislators, with some arguing that their approach stifles innovation and harms legitimate crypto projects. Should the investigation into Gensler reveal flaws in the SEC's approach, it could spark regulatory reforms that favor the crypto industry. In my opinion, an outcome favorable to Ripple could lead to more favorable conditions for crypto as a whole. If XRP gains clarity, it may pave the way for further crypto-friendly regulations, giving investors the confidence to invest without fear of regulatory backlash. That could mean more adoption, more innovation, and a booming market ahead. How could this impact XRP's price? Let's talk about XRP's potential price trajectory in light of these developments. If Ripple were to come out on top, XRP's value could see a strong rally, as investors would likely interpret a legal win as a sign of legitimacy and regulatory security. Times tabloid emphasizes that this investigation adds a layer of uncertainty to the SEC case, which, if resolved in Ripple's favor, might lead to significant gains in XRP's price. Moreover, if the SEC's hold on crypto regulations weakens, we could see a wave of new investment into XRP and other projects that were previously considered high risk due to regulatory ambiguity. This could translate into long-term growth for XRP and potentially push it into new territory on the global stage. Personally, I believe we're looking at a potential bull run for XRP if Ripple wins this case. A favorable resolution would not only boost XRP's price but could also solidify its status as a top crypto asset. With regulatory clarity on its side, XRP could attract more institutional investors, further increasing its market capitalization. Ripple's role in the future of crypto regulation. This situation brings us to an important question. What role will Ripple play in the future of crypto regulation? As one of the largest and most influential projects in the blockchain space, Ripple has been vocal about the need for regulatory clarity. Should Ripple succeed, it could become a pioneer for clearer, more favorable crypto regulations. According to Times tabloid, a favorable outcome in this investigation and the Ripple case could shift how regulators approach crypto in the US and even influence international markets. We might see Ripple take on an even larger role as an advocate for pro-crypto policies, potentially influencing the regulatory landscape for years to come. In my view, Ripple's stance against the SEC could set a roadmap for other projects. If Ripple wins and helps establish more favorable regulations, it could be a massive leap forward for the industry. Ripple's success could encourage innovation and give the US a competitive edge in the rapidly evolving world of digital assets. So, what do you think? Could Ripple's legal battle shape the future of crypto regulation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you're finding value in this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Goldrush Crypto Daily channel to stay updated on all the latest crypto news and analysis. Every like and comment helps us bring you more in-depth coverage of the biggest stories in crypto. To sum it all up, this investigation into SEC Chair Gary Gensler comes at a pivotal moment in Ripple's legal battle with the SEC. If the investigation impacts the SEC's credibility or leads to any revelations of bias, it could spell the beginning of the end for the SEC's case against Ripple. For XRP holders, this could be the bullish news they've been waiting for. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more expert insights on the crypto market. Don't forget to check out my other videos on Goldrush Crypto Daily channel for the latest updates on everything crypto. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions.